So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import media files in Premiere Pro. So let's begin the video. So in the top left corner, you can see an option of file. Click on that file option and here you can see an option of import. You can click import from here or press Ctrl plus I in your keyboard. And you can also directly import media by double clicking on import media to start. Here you can see the windows has been opened. Then here select the media you want to import, and if your media files are scattered, then click on Ctrl plus select the media. And here you can see you can select like this and click on open. You can see importing files, and here you can see the files has been imported. So that's how you can import media files in Premiere Pro. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.